EV printing for 365 days. This is day 114. And today, I'm going to finally show you guys the whole skit that we've been working for.
3, 2, 1, go! Bam! Finally, nothing will be different. Everything will be the same, and nobody touches my stuff. Stop! You don't have to be the bad guy. You are the most interesting, most awesomest, coolest person in the universe. The prophecy is made up, but that doesn't mean it isn't true. You are the special. I am the special. We all are the special.
Now the rest of it is just us singing our alma mater, and I put on 2XP for you guys.